Sai Ram students. Today in New Voices period, we are going to revise chapter 8 Birbal Street to Paradise. This is the picture from the textbook, children. After seeing this picture, you must have understood who all these three people are: Barbar, Birbal, and Akbar. Isn't it? Let's recall the lesson with the summary. The play is about Akbar's favorite minister, Birbal. We all know, children, that Akbar's favorite minister is Birbal, and Birbal was known for being wise and witty. Once a jealous barber in the emperor's court decides to get rid of Birbal. Barbar was very much envy of Birbal. He was jealous of Birbal, and he just wanted to get rid of Birbal. He thinks of a cunning plan, and one day, while trimming the emperor's beard, tells him that he dreamt of his father, who told him that the residents of heaven are terribly bored and need someone to keep them amused. So the barber, he just thinks of a plan, and while trimming the emperor's beard one day, slowly he tells him that he dreamt of his father, Akbar's father, and Akbar's father, he told him to Barbal that the residents of heaven, we are all very much bored here nobody is there to entertain us, nobody is here to amuse us, so please convey my message to my son that please send somebody here in the heaven so that that person can entertain us. So he wants someone who can amuse them with fine talk, someone intelligent and witty. The emperor, who worshipped his father, at once decides to send Birbal to his father. And the emperor then he decides, because he worshipped his father. So at once he decides, he gets ready for that, and he decides that okay, there is nobody in our empire other than Birbal who can go there and who can amuse my father, entertain my father with the fine talk, and he is intelligent and witty also. So I will send Birbal to heaven for my father's entertainment. So this was the lesson we have studied. Now let's see the exercise part. First, frame sentence. The first word is realize. Realize, to understand. We should realize our mistakes and rectify them. Second word, countless. Countless, many, the things which you cannot count. I can see countless stars in the sky at night. Countless, I can see countless stars in the sky at night. Then third word, delight. The little dog's tail wagged in delight. The little dog's tail wagged in delight. Now let's see opposite words. Fortunate, unfortunate. Countless, few. Found, lost. Witty, dull. Let's repeat once again. Fortunate, unfortunate. Countless, few. Found, lost. Witty, dull. Now let's see some question and answers. First question. How did Birbal react to Akbar's request to send him to heaven? Now when Akbar requested Birbal that you have to go to heaven to entertain my father. So What was Birbal's reaction? Yes, Birbal agreed to Akbar's request. Birbal didn't say anything and he accepted his request and he agreed to Akbar's request. Next question. What message from Akbar's father did Birbal bring? What message did Akbar's father did Birbal bring? In the picture we have seen no now. Birbal has come with the shaggy beard and long hair and he's told something to Akbar. What is that answer? Here it is. Birbal told Akbar that his father needed a good barber in heaven. What message did Birbal give to Akbar? Birbal told Akbar that his father needed a good barber in heaven. Next question. What matter did Akbar understand? With the answer of Birbal, Akbar understood. At the end of the story, we have seen. So, what matter did Akbar understand? Akbar understood that the barber had plotted to get rid of Birbal. The barber had plotted to get rid of Birbal. Next question. What is the lesson to be learned from the story? We learned something from the story, isn't it? So, what is the lesson we learned from the story? The lesson to be learned from the story is you will fall into the pit that you dig for others. I repeat, you will fall into the pit that you dig for others. So, this is the lesson to be learned from this story. So, here let's stop, children. Today we have revised our chapter 8, Birbal's trip to paradise. So, I'll stop here. Thank you.